A very good morning, students. Students, I hope all of you are good at your places. In today's class, students, we're going to discuss the next assignment, that is assignment 7.2. So before starting that assignment, students, I'm going to discuss a property with you, that is the exterior angle property of a triangle. What is exterior angle property, students? Exterior angle property of triangle. See, what does it mean, students? If I take a triangle ABC, and I produce one side, that is, if I let's say BC, you can produce AB or AC as well. It's up to you. If I take a triangle ABC and produce the side BC up to D, okay, then the exterior angle formed at C is equals to sum of the remaining two angles that are in the triangle. So I can say that angle 1, 2 and 3. So I can say that by exterior angle property, angle 1 is equals to angle 2 plus angle 3. See, this angle is made by the exterior angle of C. This angle is the exterior angle of C. So this angle is equals to the sum of the interior angle of the remaining two angles of the triangle. Okay. The exterior angle of the third angle, is equals to the sum of the two interior angles of the triangle. Okay, students. So let's just discuss the first question of assignment 7.1. See, first question, first part. See, what does it contain? A figure is given to us. See, this figure is given to us. See, this is A, this is B, and this is C. This angle is 120 degree. Somewhere we have Y. Okay. This is angle Y. This is angle X, and this is 180 degree. Sorry, 80 degree, students. What we have to find out? We have to find out the value of X and Y. Okay. Now, how can we find out, students? See. First of all, this AC is a straight line. So students, if AC is a straight line, so I can say that sum of these two will be 180 degree because of linear pair. That is a property that we have discussed in the previous assignment. So X plus this angle, that is BAC, this is equals to 180 degree because of linear pair property. Okay. Now X as it is, angle BAC, it means 80 degree, is equals to 180 degree now. So X is equals to, see, 80 is positive there, when it goes there it will be negative. So 180 minus 80, this is 100 degree. Okay, so that means the value of X is 100 degree now. Now what we have to find out? We have to find out the value of Y. See, now if I take triangle ABC, students, in triangle ABC, see, this angle is 80, this angle is Y, and beside these two angles we have an exterior angle to C as well. So we can use this property, that is the exterior angle property, that is this angle ACY is equals to angle this 80 degree, that is BAC, plus angle ABC. Reason is exterior angle property. See, ACY, this is 120 degree. BAC, this is 80 degree. And this is Y. So Y is equals to 120 minus 80. Therefore, Y is equals to 40 degree. And this is my required answer. Okay. So 100, this is 100 and this is 40. So 140, that is part number C. Part number C is our required answer. Okay. Now moving forward to the second part of this, students. See, in second part, what we have. See, this figure is given to us. Okay. This is X. This is 70 degree. This is 40 degree. And this is Y. Okay. We have to find out the value of X and Y. This is L and this is M. We have to find out the value of x and y. Similarly, students, M is a straight line. M is a straight line. Now y plus 70. Y plus 70 degree. This is equals to 180 degree because of linear pair. Because of linear pair. Now 70 is positive here. When it goes to the right hand side, it will be negative. So this is 110. So the value of y is 110 now. Now see x. If I take this triangle, students, these are the two angles, and the third angle we have exterior of that. If two angles we have, and the third angle is the exterior angle. So by using the exterior angle property, I can say that x is equals to sum of the remaining two. That means y plus 40 degree. Reason is exterior angle property. Okay. Now y we know, students, y is 110. So x is equals to 110 plus 40. That is 150 degree. This is my required answer. Okay, students. So this is our part number second. Now see part number third, students. Sorry, question number second. If I see, okay, ACXC. This question is quite easy, students. It is same as question number one and second part of this. So just do question number second by yourself. I'm going to discuss the question number third, students. See what is question number third. See, this a triangle is given. Okay. This figure is given to us, students. See, this is A, this is B, this is C, and this is D. This is 100. Okay. This is 70 degrees, students. And one more thing is given to us. Find ABD. We have to find ABD. This angle I have to find out. Okay. And also find ABC. ABC. I have to find out these two angles, students. Okay. What is given to us? Angle C. That means this angle is thrice of angle ABC. ABC. Okay. See. Angle C is equals to thrice of angle ABC. It is given. Now we do one thing, students. I assume that this angle is x. I assume that this angle is x. Let angle ABC is equals to x. Therefore, by using this condition, students, angle C is equals to thrice of angle ABC, that is x. So angle C is equals to 3x now. Angle C is equals to 3x. So this is 3x and this is x. Now, students, I can take the triangle ABC. So in triangle ABC, students, this is 100 degree, this is x, and this is 3x. We know the property, students, sum of the angles of the triangle is 180 degree because of angle sum property of triangle. So sum of the three angles will be 180 degree because of the angle sum property. Okay, so 100 when goes there, it will be subtracted. So 3x plus x, it is 4x, and this is 180 minus 100, that is 80 degree now. Therefore, x is how much? 4 is in multiplication, when it goes there, it will be in division. So this is 20 degree. So the value of x is 20 degree now. And what we have to do, students, we have to find out A, B, C, that is 20 degree that we have find out. Now we have to find out A, B, and D. Now in triangle ABD, students, see, if I take this angle and this angle, in triangle ABD I am taking these two angles, so sum of these two will be 100 degree because of the exterior angle property. So angle ABD plus angle ADB is equals to BAC by exterior angle property. Exterior angle property. Okay. So students, sum of these two. So ABD we don't know because we have to find out that angle. Okay. ADB, this is 70 degree. Okay. BAC, this is 100 degree. So 70 is in addition, when it goes to the right hand side, it will be subtracted. So So therefore angle ABD is equals to 100 minus 70, that is 30 degree. So this is my required answer, students. Okay. So this is our question number 3rd. So let's just move forward to the question number 4, students. See. Question number 4th. This is the figure that is given to us. This is A, this is B, this is D, B and C. This is 40 degree. This is 15 degree. This is 52 degree. Okay. Now, see. Okay. We have to find out angle ACD, students. ACD, that means I have to find out this angle. Okay. And AED. AED. Okay, that means this angle. I have to find out these two angles. So see, students, if I take triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, I am taking this triangle, students. So sum of this angle and this angle is equals to this angle by using exterior angle property. That means angle BAC plus angle ABC is equals to angle ACD by exterior angle property. Okay, so angle BAC, it means 15 degree plus ABC, this means 40 degree. The sum of these angles is equals to ACD. Therefore, angle ACD is equals to sum of these two means 55 degree. And this is my required answer. Okay. Now students, this angle we know. So this is 55 degree now. And what we have to find out? We have to find out AED. Now students, if we take triangle ECD, in triangle ECD, students, if I take in triangle this, the sum of this angle and this angle is equal to sum of AED by using the same property, exterior angle property. So angle ECD plus angle EDC is equals to angle AED by the same property, students, exterior angle property. Now just put the values of the angles. ECD, this is 55 degree. EDC, this is 52 degree. Angle AED, we don't know because we have to find out that. So angle AED is equals to, just add these two. So how much it will be? It will be 107 degree. So angle AED is equals to 107 degree. This is my required answer. Okay. Now in question number 4, students, see, just use the exterior angle property and you will get your answer. So just find out question number 7 yourself. Now I'm going to discuss the question number 6 and 7. Okay. Now see question number 6, students. See. Now see question number 6. In a triangle, exterior angle at the vertex is 95 degree. Okay. In a triangle, so let us take a triangle ABC. Exterior angle at the vertex is 95 degree. Okay, so this angle is 95 degree. Now, and one of the interior opposite angle. Interior means this, opposite means either this or either this. It is 55 degree. You can take any of these angles as 55. I am taking this as 55 degree. So what we have to do? Find all the angles of the triangle. That means I have to find out this angle and this angle. I have to find out these two angles. Okay. Now students, see, BC is a straight line. BC is a straight line. So I can say the sum of these two will be 180 degree. So angle ACB plus angle AC. If I say this is D, ACD, sum of these two will be 180 degree because of the linear pair. Because of linear pair. So ACD, this is 95 degree, 180 degree, and angle ACB as it is. So angle ACB is equals to 180 minus 95. This is 85 degrees, students. Okay. So this is 85 degree angle. Now we have to find out this angle. Now in triangle ABC, if I take triangle ABC, students, ABC angle plus angle BAC plus angle ACB. Sum of all the angles of the triangle is 180 degree. Sum of the angles of the triangles is 180 degree because of the angle sum property. Angle sum property of triangle. Okay. Now students, ABC, angle ABC, this is 55 degree. We know this. BAC, we don't know because we have to find out. So angle BAC as it is. Angle ACB, we have already found out. This is 85 degree. Is equals to 180. Okay. Now students, see. Sum of these two. Angle BAC as it is. 5, 5, 10. 8 and 5, 13. So it is 140 now. Okay. Now see, if this is 140, when it goes here, it will be subtracted. So angle BAC is equals to 180 minus 40, 140, that is 40 degree. So this angle is 40 degree and this angle is 85 degree. Okay. Now see students, question number 7. Okay. Exterior angle is 80 degree and the opposite and here. Okay. These two angles are in ratio 5:3. So do one thing students, if these two angles are in 5:3, so just take it as 5x and take it as 3x and you can find out the value of x. Hence you can find out these two angles. So this question is also same students as question number 6. So this is our assignment, second students. So do all the questions and examples also. I'm going to see you in the next class. Thank you.